The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harrison County in south central Indiana, south central Clark County in south central Indiana, southeastern Floyd County in south central Indiana, northwestern Nelson County in central Kentucky, southeastern Meade County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, northeastern Hardin County in central Kentucky, Gillette County in central Kentucky, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Gordon to 10 miles southeast of Brandenburg to 14 miles west of Elizabeth.
Moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat.
What the fuck was that? Did you hear that?
I didn't. I just came in here. I heard something weird. I just didn't know what was going on. What happened?
Severe thunderstorms will be near
It did a thing. I'm recording video, so I'll fucking show you after this ends.
Eastern Daylight Time.
Yeah, I'll show you the video after this ends because I'm recording it.
Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Jeffersonville, Shepherdsville, St. Regis Park, West Bucco, Watterson Park, Woodlawn Park, Seneca Gardens, Strathmore Village, Rolling Fields, Houston Acres, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Linden, Middletown, Douglas Hills, Prospect, Hurstlower, Greenwood, Devondale, Windy Hills, and Anchorage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for south central Indiana and central Kentucky. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although